As you know, Instagram lets you have access to many different songs and you can add them to your posts, to your photos, videos, and to your reels. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can add music to the reels you want to post. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a new reel. What I do is I swipe right and down here I tap on reel. And as you can see, the first option I have is like a music icon and it says audio. I'm going to tap on that. And here it lets me choose any music that I want. Maybe I want to choose Girl Boss. I can first listen to it. And then if I like it, I'm just going to tap on this little icon here and it lets me add music to my reel. Now, it lets me even choose which part of this music I want on my reel. And then if I tap done, I can record any video that I want, or I can also add maybe like a video to that reel. It lets me open it and edit. That way I can edit it even more. And as you can see, even if you hadn't added the music then, here you have this option. You can tap on that and you can just make some changes to the music. This is the Girl Boss verso. So I can maybe edit the music. So at the beginning, my video starts and then the music starts. There's a lot of things you can do with the music, play around, whatever you like. And then if I tap on this icon, it lets me edit that reel even more and then share it to my stories. So let's say I don't add the music first. So I want to start over. And still I have this audio here. So, okay, again, if I choose reel, I can just choose a video. Let's say this one, tap next. And here again, I can add music to it. As you can see, I have all the options that I had before. And maybe I just choose this one. And again, it lets me edit it and everything just like before. Hope this helps and don't forget to subscribe for more.